Что за тема у них? Они реально дохнут, посмотрите.
Че, вторая мушка?
Нет, тут очень много маленьких. Короче, какое-то место силы вообще.
Это место
Жесть, а как так? Почему?
Маленький летят на свет.
Почему именно в эту точку? Их нигде больше нет, посмотри. Только там. Их там дофига. Блин, может нам снять?
What am I insecure about? When I was younger, my biggest insecurities were having boobs and having hips, because I didn't like being looked at. So I used to wear really baggy clothes, big hoodies, totally like just, you know, cover it all up, shroud myself in it. I used so much energy and time worrying what people thought of me. I think I've shed a lot of my insecurities like a snake sheds its skin as it gets older, and that's a really cool thing.
Today we have surrendered to our thirst for machines. And as you sit alone in your gadget room, with an electric world of entertainment at your fingertips, are you really happy? Or are you in fact having the tears? You live in constant fear that a beautiful robotic arm will steal your job and force you to live in the sewer. But the cup will not replace you. The cup only wants you to have water. And yet today, our children use cups only to throw at cars that displease them. Do you respect the cup? Do you clean the cup after using it? Or do you hurl it at the wall and shout, "Who cares about whatever that was I just threw? I'm going to bed." And when you tell the police what you've done, why is it they don't seem to care? Wouldn't you rather live in a world where you are punished for breaking a cup? Or is this what you want for our future? A barren wasteland of filth and despair? humanity enslaved by a new master race, massive pygmy. No. If you are still not persuaded about the majesty of the cup, imagine this. You are walking all alone in your favorite forest, when all of a sudden a man with a very shiny knife appears. He says he will stab you unless you give him a cup, for he is thirsty. Since you do not believe in the wonder of cups, you do not have one, and the man is forced to stab you. As you lie in your favorite forest, blood pouring out of your stomach, the final thought you have is, well, I wish I respected cups more. And then you die. And the man who stabbed you also dies of thirst. That is 2 deaths that could have been avoided if you had a cup. Use cups.